Hiperbaric was set up in 1999 thanks to the entrepreneurial spirit of Andres Hernando. More than 20 years of experience in designing, manufacturing and commercializing high-pressure industrial machines that reach up to 6,000 bar. Our mission is to meet our customers' needs with reliable and innovative solutions and to promote the development of people inside and outside the company. A corporate culture based on innovation together with strong and solid values, transparency, trust and reliability. These values have converted us in a multinational company, global leader of the high-pressure industry, with units installed in the 5 continents. More than 200 food companies from all over the world have successfully developed and commercialized their innovative products, putting their trust in the quality, innovation and reliability of Hiperbaric brand. Our headquarters are located in Burgos, an industrial hub in the north of Spain. Moreover, we count with a delegation in Miami, USA, and with commercial and technical presence in Mexico, Singapore and Australia. We have 30,000 square meter facilities distributed between Burgos and Miami, and a highly qualified team of more than 120 people dedicated to design, assemble and certificate our units, machine high-precision parts, and to validate our clients' products in our 2 pilot plants. Our technicians, engineers and doctors offer a global and customized attention and an efficient after-sales service 24/7 every day of the year. Hiperbaric, experts in high-pressure technology.